Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to apply a coupon code at Udemy checkout on desktop, save instantly. Let's dive into this tutorial, where we focus on a common problem faced by many online course enthusiasts: applying a coupon code to get that sweet discount at Udemy's checkout. Imagine browsing through a plethora of courses, finding the perfect one, and then realizing you have a promo code that could save you some money. But wait, where exactly do you enter it? How do you make sure it actually works? That's exactly what we're going to cover today, ensuring you maximize your savings every time you enroll in a new course. To get started, we're going to walk through this process step by step. First things first, open your preferred desktop browser and navigate to the Udemy website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Udemy account. This is a crucial step because being logged in ensures that any discounts you apply will be linked to the correct account, and your course enrollments will be properly saved. If you happen to have more than one Udemy account, be sure to double-check that you're logged into the one where you want your new courses to reside. Next, it's time to find the course or courses you want to purchase. You can either search directly from the home page or browse through categories to find what interests you. Once you've pinpointed the course, click on the course page and then hit Add to Cart. You can also add courses to your cart directly from search results if you spot something appealing there. Take a moment here to review all your selections. Adding everything you want at this stage gives you a clear picture of how the coupon will impact your total cost. Once your cart is loaded with all your desired courses, look towards the top right of the page and click on the cart icon. You will then have the option to either go to cart or proceed to checkout. Both of these choices will lead you to the crucial page where you can apply your coupon code. Now, on the cart or checkout page, keep an eye out for the field labeled something like Enter Coupon Code, Promo Code, or Apply Coupon. Sometimes, this section might not be immediately obvious. It could be tucked under a small link or button, so be sure to scan the page carefully. If you don't see it right away, try scrolling down a bit. It is typically located near the order summary. When you found the coupon field, either paste or type your coupon code into it. It's advisable to copy the code directly from its source to avoid any typing errors. Also, pay attention to spaces that might inadvertently be added at the beginning or end. Coupon codes often come with specific rules and expiration dates, so ensuring the correct format is essential. After entering the code, click Apply. Give the page a moment to update. If the coupon code is valid, you should see the discount reflected in the total price of your order before you finalize your purchase. Look for a confirmation message and a reduced subtotal. If, however, the code doesn't work, you will usually receive an error message indicating that it might be invalid, expired, or not applicable to the courses in your cart. If you encounter this, double-check the terms of the code or try another one. Finally, proceed to the payment step to complete your checkout and enroll in the course at the discounted price. Make sure to review the order total one last time to ensure the coupon is still active. Choose your payment method and finalize the purchase. Once your payment is processed, you'll be successfully enrolled and ready to start your learning journey, having saved some money in the process. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to apply a coupon code at Udemy checkout on desktop, save instantly. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.